This is my lunch for today. I'm quite busy in the kitchen today, organizing the fridge, freezer, cooking, prepping. So I'm gonna have tomato soup, homemade, and it's a bit kind of yellowish just because I added lots of sauteed carrots and onion. Then I blended, and of course tomatoes. And here what I have tortilla kind of wraps, mini wraps. I cut one tortilla in four, and I have some chicken nuggets, some leftover potato salad, tomato and lettuce. And on the bottom I spread some mayo. So that's my lunch for today. This is my late breakfast. So what I have here, I have tomatoes, cucumber, and I had one boiled egg in the fridge. I have homemade bread. I toasted and buttered, and I top it up with baked beans and last mushrooms. I sauteed them a little bit and seasoned, and that's my late breakfast. Sorry, not last breakfast, late breakfast. I'm sure I'll enjoy. This is my lunch for today. I have a salad, cucumber, tomatoes, and yellow pepper, and I sprinkled with seeds, different seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, as you can see, chia seeds, drizzled with oil and balsamic glaze. And here what I have piece of bread, buttered, garlic butter, then I put some pesto, then I mixed tomatoes, olives, green onion, peppers, what else I have? Yeah, peppers, tomatoes, olives. Then I sprinkled with cheese and I grilled in the oven. Actually, I baked and I grilled. And here, what I had some leftover beans, so I didn't know what to do with them. And I decided to bake a potato with beans topping. It's British kind of meal. It's quite nice, it's quite filling. It's called jacket potato. So that's my lunch for today. This is my breakfast for this morning. Talk about not wasting food. So what I have here, I have a bagel which I burned. I scrape it a bit, but still will do. And scrambled eggs. And here what I had some leftover beans. You see, one can of beans, it lasts me 3 meals because I'm always mixing or adding to something. So this is my last baked beans. And I had half of the baked potato. So what I did, I fried that potato, I kind of chopped and fried, added the beans, a little bit salt, pepper. So it's a mixture. And that's my kind of hot breakfast. And here what I have my homemade yogurt, had my last kiwi, and I have some apples. And that's my sort of dessert. And for energy, I have a couple dates, and probably I'll have some juice or tea. I'll see how I feel. But that's my breakfast for today. This is my late lunch. So what I have here, I have fettuccine. I had some salmon pieces, so I fried them and separately. Then after I fried some onion, I had some mushrooms. Then I added some flour. I made like a roux. I added some milk because I didn't have cream, but I added some milk, cream cheese, and I had some bits of spinach in the freezer. I added that spinach as well. Didn't want to go waste. and I cooked the sauce. Almost at the end, I added mozzarella cheese and I put the salmon in the sauce, cooked for a few minutes, and here is my lunch. So I have for today and tomorrow. It's quite delicious. It's very tasty. To share with you again quickly what I bought today. Usually I get online notifications about sales. So I noticed Walmart had basmati rice. So I thought, well, before I start my housework or my projects, first thing in the morning I got dressed up. Instead of going for a walk, I decided to go and do my shopping. And how it worked, I kind of popped into Superstore because I was looking to buy a loaf of bread. And the reason is it's $1.50. I make my own bread. I bake my own bread. But this one is good because I'm going to cut in lengthwise. And the top one, I'm going to dry and make breadcrumbs. And the bottom one, I'll put garlic butter and chopped tomatoes, olives, green onion, make some sort of bruschetta. Top it with cream cheese, shredded, grated cheese, and bake. So that will be kind of in the freezer. What I discovered, I got this salmon. It's $7.49, and they are trims. So this one will be for 2 meals. Then while I was kind of checking what else is there, I came across to this salmon, and used to be $24.65, and it was reduced to $16.12. So I thought that's very good kind of deal. And it has, as you can see, 1 kg and 400 grams. So what I'm gonna do, I can do salmon steaks, or just kind of, make a fillet and portion. So I can do 8 pieces. I can do even 10, but 8 pieces would be fine if I do a fillet. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna buy and I'll have for 8 meals. So at least once a week I can have fatty fish. And what else I bought? I bought a baguette just for $1. And I'm gonna slice it, put some drizzle of some oil and bake in the oven to have croutons. Now let's move to Walmart. So my spending was, I'll tell you how much I spent. I spent $26.11. That's from my food allowance for this month. And at Walmart, I spent $27.94. So here is the rice. You see, 3 kg and 620 grams. And the rice was $7.84. So $7.84. Cream cheese on sale. So I bought 2 for my cream cheese cake. I'll put them in the freezer, and next time when I need, I have it. Green onion, 69 cents, which is very good. Usually it's like 99, so I bought only 1. And dill. Dill is so expensive, I mean in general, but because it was $1.47, I bought 1. I'm gonna wash and I'm gonna freeze it. Then another thing I found, see, I never go kind of so early, and the girl was saying they have this every day, the sales. So chicken breast, you see, chicken breast was $24. I think she mentioned the expiry date is today, and it's $12. So I have 7 chicken breasts, and if I can't cut them lengthwise, I have 14 meals out of this because I buy myself. So that's no expiry, I think was, no, it's today, 27th, sorry, zoomed out. But what kind of, when I was looking, I could see some of the packages, they were 1 kg 300 grams, 1 kg 400 grams, but the price was flat, $12. So of course I chose 1 kg and 600 grams. So I calculated if I divide $12 into 7 chicken breasts, it comes to $171 per breast. That's very good deal. So I'm gonna wash them, I'm gonna marinate like salt, pepper, you know. I'm gonna portion them and put in the freezer. So that's my shopping for today. See, I went only for rice and I came back with a bunch of stuff.